Now today we are going to start our new chapter, 7th chapter, that is coordinate geometry. In a coordinate geometry, here we have to learn two things. First, distance formula. Second, section formula. And there is a third topic, that is area formula, which is related in new syllabus. So let us revise about coordinate geometry. Coordinate means we are talking about Cartesian plane, that is XY plane. So there is a vertical line and horizontal line. Vertical line which is known as x coordinate and horizontal line which is known as y coordinate. So here and where they are intersecting mutually at a 90 degree, this is known as origin. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Right side we are getting all the positive x values, y values and negative. This is known as first coordinate. This is known as second coordinate, this is known as third and fourth. In the first, all positive, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Value of x and y both are positive in first coordinate. Here y positive, x negative. Here both are negative and here x positive, y negative. So this is all about we know in coordinate geometry. Distance formula in a Cartesian plane, if there are 2 points, suppose there is a point P, let this point is a P and this point is Q. So how we can find the distance of PQ? Now we are going to prove. So there is a few assumptions. Now we are going. I am going to write assumptions. So now we are going to derive the distance formula. So in a Cartesian plane, XY plane, we have 2 points. Let P and coordinate of P is x1, y1 and there is a point Q. Coordinate of Q is x2, y2. So let us draw the perpendicular from P point to the x-axis, that is RS. That is PR. I'll again draw a perpendicular from Q point to the x coordinate or x-axis, that is QS. So whatever the distance RS, which is equal to the distance PT. Now let OS is x2, OS distance is x2 and OR distance is x1. So what is the distance of RS? That is, we will have x2 minus x1. We will have x2 minus x1 and which is equal to PT. So here assumptions, let coordinate of P is x1, y1 and coordinate of Q is x2, y2. Draw PR and RS perpendicular to the x-axis. A perpendicular from the point P on QS is drawn to meet it at the point T. Then OR is x1. OR distance is, this is x1 and this is x2. So what is the distance of RS? RS equals to PT, which is x2 minus x1. Similarly, what is the distance of QT? So coordinate of Q is x2, y2 and now we will have here, if we assume in this side at the y coordinate, so this point is Q and this point is T. So distance QT is y2, OQ is y2 and OT is y1. So QT distance is y2 minus y1. So here SQ equals to y2, ST equals to PR equals to y1. So QT distance is y2 minus y1. Now while joining PQ and PT, we have a right angle triangle. Right angle at a T point. So opposite to right angle, that is, we will have a hypotenuse and let this is PT is a base and QT is a perpendicular. So now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So by the Pythagoras theorem in triangle PTQ, we have a hypotenuse square, that is PQ square equals to PT square plus QT square. Now we can substitute the values. Now we know PT is x2 minus x1, so x2 minus x1 whole square and this distance QT, that is y2 minus y1 whole square, and then PQ is we will take under root, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Remember one thing, we can write in terms of x1 minus PQ equals to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also, because we have a whole square and under root, so we will get always positive value. And second thing, distance never be negative, distance always be positive. With the origin, if we are taking from origin, any one point is origin, so distance we will get x square plus y square, because coordinate of origin is always 0. Hello students, so here we are going to solve the exercise 7.1. Find the distance between these points. Find the distance between these points. So we can assume let this point is P and coordinate of P is given 2 and 3, and second point let the Q and coordinate of Q is 4, 1. So we can assume this is x1, y1 and this point is x2, y2. Since we can say value of x1 is 2 and value of y1 is 3, and from here value of x2 is 4 and value of y2 is 1. Now we can apply the distance formula. We have a distance formula, PQ is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the value x2 that is 4 minus 2 whole square and plus y2 minus y1 that is 1 minus 3 whole square. Now while solving, 4 minus 2 that is 2 square and 1 minus 3 that is minus 2 square. So we will have 2 2s are 4 and here again 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4 under root 8, which can be written in form of 2 root 2. So this is answer. This is the distance between these 2 points.